Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Origin games that are not launching on your PC. First, make sure Origin is fully closed. Now we will clear the Origin cache. Press the Windows key and R on your keyboard. Type %appdata% and press enter. Find the Origin folder and delete it. Then go back one folder to appdata. Open the local folder and delete the Origin folder there as well. After this, restart Origin and sign in again. Next, repair the game that is not launching. Open Origin and go to your game library. Click on the game that has the problem. Click the Manage button. Select Repair. Origin will check the game files and download anything missing or broken. This may take some time, depending on the game size. After the repair is done, restart your PC. A restart clears temporary system issues and refreshes services that games need to run properly. Finally, make sure your system is fully updated. Open Windows settings and check for Windows updates. Install all available updates and restart if needed. Then update your graphics drivers from the official website of your GPU brand. Updated drivers fix many game launch problems. After completing these steps, open Origin again and try launching your game. In most cases, the game should now start normally. Thanks for watching.